Hi, my name is Farheen, and me, along with a friend called Sonia, have started a brand called Earthy. Earthy makes safe cleaning liquids for the house. But before I get started, a huge shout out to Kalpana and Uday Parekh for giving their Diwali gifts from Earthy this year. We will be forever grateful for their order and for the impact their choices make. Now, what is Earthy? And why are safe cleaning liquids important? Most cleaning liquids are chemical based and contain toxic ingredients. These are often derived from petroleum and cause havoc in our system. So while we are cleaning our house, we are spoiling our health, and more importantly, we are completely ruining our soil and water. The base of most cleaning liquids is water. So what we have done is, instead of using water, we use bioenzyme. Bioenzyme is a liquid that is made after fermenting citrus peels for a period of 90 days. Once it is fermented, this liquid contains enzymes which not only help cleaning, but they are also really good for our soil and water. Now, when the wastewater goes into our drains, it actually helps clean up the organic waste from the drains, and when it goes into the soil, rather than killing the soil, it helps rejuvenate it. That's why knowing about bioenzymes, making it, using it is so important for our planet right now. What we have done is we have taken the base of bioenzyme, added some natural plant-based surfactants, and made an entire range of home cleaning products. Why? Sonia and I had a dream of seeing a clean, meaty river. And if enough people start using bioenzyme, that will become a reality. Now, how do we use the products that are bioenzyme based? You use them exactly the way you would use your chemical cleaners. The only difference you will find probably is the smell. The artificial fragrances found in most cleaners are actually causing havoc in your body. They are messing up your endocrine system, your respiratory system. So we don't use any artificial fragrances. We use essential oils, and thus the smell is milder. The laundry you use exactly the way you would use a liquid laundry, which is chemical based. Use a little bit if your clothes are relatively clean. If they are heavily stained, you have young children, use more. The all-purpose cleaner, just spray it, wait for a few seconds till it does its job, and then wipe it or scrub it. The bioenzyme contains 4 different kinds of enzymes which eats up or acts on organic waste. So even after you wipe the surface, the enzymes remain there and continue to work as long as some organic waste is available. The dishwash, again, you will use exactly the way you use a regular dishwash. Dilute it with water, approximately 1:10. So 1 part dishwash liquid, 10 parts water. Mix it and use it. Your hands will feel not itchy, there will not be any residue on your dishes, and it's completely safe. Safe for your pets, safe for children, safe for people with low immunity, everything. The deodorizer is a little different. Generally, air fresheners are sprayed to mask out smells. It has a strong fragrance which overpowers any bad smell. What the Earthy's deodorizer does is eliminates the root cause of the smell. So whatever is causing the smell, the root cause, whether it is some garbage or it is dirty diapers or it is pet pee or pet poo, it goes there and it breaks up that organic waste into carbon dioxide and water. So after spraying the deodorizer, you will find that the smell is completely disappeared in about 5 to 10 minutes. So when you use it in your car and it has a dull, musty smell, that will completely go and your air will be fresh. It also helps in reducing the indoor air pollution on a daily basis. It helps if you have allergies and spray it in the room twice a day. The glass cleaner again can be used like a regular glass cleaner. Just spray it on the windows or glass, scrub it and wipe it with a wiper. Basically, we have tried to replicate the chemical cleaners as much as possible without any of the harmful side effects, harmful ingredients, and packing in lots of goodness. So the bioenzyme based cleaners are actually even better than your regular herbal cleaners, because again, once we humans are done using them, they go into our soil and water and help clean those up. We also urge you to consider Earthy for your next personal or corporate gifting option. Whether it is Christmas, New Year, housewarming, birthday party, kitty party, the world needs more sustainable gifts. Again, a huge thanks to Kalpana and Uday, and feel free to get in touch with us if you have any other questions on how to use the products. Thank you.